Adjustment of investment fluctuation reserve is discussed here. Investment fluctuation reserve is a reserve set aside out of profits to meet fall in value of investments. As you already know, investments are the assets and these are recorded in the books of firm at cost. However, its market value may change. It may be higher or lower than the book value. So under this, market value of investments are compared with its book value, and there may be three cases when market value. First case, when market value and book value of investments are equal. Second case, when market value is less than the book value, and third case, when market value is more than the book value. So in first case, what will be the accounting treatment? When market value is equal to book value, it means there is no profit, no loss. So the whole amount of reserve will be transferred to partner's capital account in old ratio. Journal entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account debit to partner's capital or current accounts, being investment fluctuation reserve transferred to partner's capital accounts in old profit sharing ratio. Second case is when market value of investment is less than the book value, and under this it means there are also three cases. When the market value is less than the book value, it means the market value of investment decreases and there is a loss which will be covered from the out of investment fluctuation reserve. So first case, fall in value, that is loss, is less than investment fluctuation reserve available. Second, fall in value is equal to the amount of investment fluctuation reserve. And the third, fall in value, that is loss, is more than investment fluctuation reserves available. So one by one we will discuss the journal entries here. Under first case, when fall in value, that is loss, is less than investment fluctuation reserve. Here, investment fluctuation reserve account will be debited to investment account, and investment account is credited with the amount of loss here, because it is the accounting rule, when the asset amount of the asset decreases, it should be credited to partner's capital or current account, and the remaining balance of investment fluctuation reserve should be distributed in partner's capital account. So it should be credited. Second case, fall in value is equal to, that is loss is equal to investment fluctuation reserve. So here the entry will be investment fluctuation reserves account debit to investment account, that is fall in the value of investment, it should be credited, and which is the difference between book value and market value. Third case, fall in value, that is loss, is more than investment fluctuation reserves available. So here investment fluctuation reserve account should be debited, then the amount of loss which cannot be covered out of the reserve should be charged to revaluation account. Revaluation account should be debited, then to investment account. It means the fall in value, which is the difference between book value and market value. And the next entry which will be passed, this loss of on the revaluation account, it should be transferred to partners capital accounts. So here the partners capital account should be debited in old ratio to revaluation account. Revaluation account it depicts the loss. Next, last case, when market value of investment is more than book value. Here the market value is more, it means there is a profit, and so the whole amount of reserves should be distributed among the partners. First entry will be investment fluctuation reserve account debit to partners capital or current account in old ratio. Second entry, because the amount of the value of investment increases, so the investment should be debited, investment account debit to revaluation account, and because it is a gain, so it should be credited to the revaluation account. Revaluation account is a nominal account, and the rule of nominal account is debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Then next, this gain should be distributed among the partners. So here the entry will be revaluation account debit. When anything is distributed, the reverse should be, if the revaluation account is credit, then it should be debited. So revaluation account is debit and to partners capital or current accounts in old ratio. This profit is distributed among the partners in old ratio.